Hello, have you been making the most of this downtime by doing some tidying in your garden? It's a great time now while it's still pleasant outside and before that wintry weather sets in. Now this little side garden is desperately in need of a haircut. The star jasmine has finished flowering and the hydrangeas have pretty much lost their autumn colour. So I'm going to tackle both of them today. Now you'll notice I'm quite tough with the jasmine, but I will be very careful and delicate with the hydrangeas because I need to prune each stem individually to make sure that I have a really healthy plant next season full of blooms. So I will see you at the other end. That was 2 hours of hard but rewarding work. Another thing I can tick off the list, which is always good. Looks pretty bare right now, but it'll only be a couple of weeks before these hydrangeas have got brand new leaves on them again. So I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.